Good day to all. This video is just a information video. So I am on a ship. My ship is crossing a Suez Canal. Spelling S-U-E-Z, Suez Canal. It is in the Egypt country. It might be known to you that pyramid of Egypt, always in the seven wonder of the world. So canal is also same situated in the Egypt country. And another thing about this canal, it is around 100 mile long, and it is connecting two ocean. That is the main point. It is connecting two ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. So 100 mile long. Another point, it is man-made. In olden days, there is no machinery used to dig this canal. Of course, nowadays it is modified and machinery being used, but when initially it was dig out, it is man-made only. And to the left of the ship, you can see there is no tree, no island, no hard soil. It is only a sand. You can see both sides. Now go to the right side. Let me show you. There is a population. Just you can have a look. Let me zoom a little bit so you can have a better look. See, this is the population. View is very nice. So you can see here, ship is moving, and all houses are cemented. And another thing, what to add now? Let me conclude again. This is connecting two ocean, Atlantic and Indian Ocean, 100 mile long, made by a man. No machinery used in olden days. It is in the Egypt country. Name is Suez Canal. And more information you can get what I said on the internet. And that's all. Have a nice time. So you can see there is a boat going on. So have a nice time. Thank you very much.